In this video, you will learn how to find your channel ID on YouTube. Open a web browser like Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Go to www.youtube.com and make sure that you are logged in with your YouTube account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Click on Settings. You are now at the YouTube account settings page. Click on Advanced Settings. Here you can see your YouTube channel ID. Congratulations! Now you know how to find your channel ID on YouTube. Thank you for watching, and it really helps me if you give this video a like and a comment to show your appreciation, so I will make more videos.